My dog rescued this bird, and now they're best friends. So he brought him home. Milo sat by his side literally all day long. Once we realized his wing was getting better and he could fly, we would leave Cracker on top of his cage because we wanted him to be free. But he just never left. Cracker would start to come down to the bottom of the cage and he would sit next to Milo. And Milo would sit outside of the cage, try and lick him. Then one day, Cracker climbed down. We kind of wanted to see what would happen. Milo was just so excited, wagging his tail. He followed Cracker around the living room, and then it just became this friendship. As they just love being together. Milo tries to play and cuddle with Cracker. Which seems like he's squashing him. And sometimes I'm like, should I stop them? But I'll look at Cracker and he just does not care. Milo would be sitting with a Cracker in his big bed. And Cracker's a bit annoying. He gets up in your personal space. So Milo would get annoyed sometimes. Milo would change beds and Cracker would follow him again and sit in that bed. This relationship with my dog, it's just so unbelievable. It was the smile from ear to ear. I can't imagine them without each other now. They're like two peas in a pod. When you find one, you'll find the other.